traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today on this video we are going to talk about another success story of a consistent performer here with RLTR Group, the way she has made close to 3 lakh rupees in a week with RLTR. And we're also going to talk about the profits that we've made for the day, and also what the market is going to do on Monday. So let's go ahead and proceed with this video. Now, before we go there, I want you to hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and share this video to all your friends who are making losses so that they can join us on live trading sessions by visiting www.rltrgroup.com. And immediately to the next session, they can go ahead and join us. Now, whilst we do that, let's quickly go ahead and see how and why we took our positions for the day. So our position was pretty much based on what the RBI governor was telling us today. So we understood that there was a consolidation over here at this phase, and we wanted to go ahead and understand if there would be a breakout. Our entry was very simple today, and when we entered this particular breakout, it went up and it gave our targets, and I immediately told my participants to book the profits before it was too late. And then you see the market went into a consolidation. It fell down, it went to a consolidation, then again it's falling down. Now what happens? A lot of them have made decent amount of profits, and they have done a fairly good job for the day. So quickly understanding 18,000 is quite an easy peasy lemon squeezy money. But what has she done so differently throughout the week? Let's go ahead and see her P&L statement and what has happened. So we'll quickly go ahead and click on her access to her console, and immediately we will go to the P&L. She joined us on the 1st of February. So we are going to look at the dates on the 1st of February. What happened in the past? There must be disasters, but she's a very good woman, and with all due respect, I want to say that she has transformed herself through RLTR, and that's the success story that we are here to talk about. So she's already made 18K today, and she's right now 2.71 lakhs in profit for the entire week, plus the 18K. So you guys can just imagine how RLTR has actually changed the way her trading has occurred. And it is literally a success story that I wanted to say, that people with a decent amount of concentration, with just the skill of copying my trades, are able to make such amount of money. And what's my subscription? 10K. Okay, so what is the return on investment? I want to ask you that question so that you can ask yourself and see whether this would be a right fit for you. So this was what she has done for the entire week. I wish her all the best, and what she does in the future would be a history by itself. Now, while we go ahead and speculate about what she does in the future, we also need to speculate as to what our index would be doing in the future. Like I told you, I have always been a fan of whenever there is a day breakout, or whenever the index crosses the high. But the objective is that you need to ensure that the kind of candle that it's making today should not be the exact same thing that it needs to be here. All right, so I want you to know that if this is the exact same candle at 3:30 today, and the way this looks is exactly the same, if we are going to go ahead cut the bottom of this candle on Monday, the low of this candle, then we might go ahead into a correction or a consolidation phase before there is another breakout. So I want you guys to be very careful as to how you're going to be trading right now. The market is a maze. Okay, a job of an intraday trader is to go to that maze, get an apple, fill his belly for the day, and come back tomorrow. But what happens is, normal folk, retailers like us, we go there, we take an apple, then we see a bigger tree, we go back and try to take a bigger apple, and while we are doing that, we are just lost in the entire maze, guys. So what is the purpose of RLTR Group? RLTR Group is going to help you in that maze. It is going to help you to take that initial apple and go back home and stay happy. Okay, so that's our purpose, guys. So please learn to go ahead and book your profits on time. and take wise decisions in terms of your position. I hope my daily analysis is working very well for you. And I've got a lot of comments and feedback on my personal Telegram channel stating that they were very, very happy with the way how I have been doing these reviews. So I just want you to know that these reviews are still going to continue. I'm going to give my view on an everyday basis as to how the markets are going to react. And if you want to make similar profits like what she has made, I want you to go ahead, join us immediately on our website, that is www.rltrgroup.com, and join us on a live trade on Monday. I will be telling her to withdraw this capital and have a blast over the weekend. I don't know how she's going to spend it, but I just want to congratulate her. So thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a wonderful day ahead, guys. We will see you around in the next video on Monday. And over the weekend, there is a plan of a free training that I might be conducting. So if there is anything of that in nature, I will inform that in my Telegram group. So please keep an eye on any notifications coming over the weekend. We will see you on another video on Monday. Thank you so much for your time. Have a lovely weekend. Happy days. We'll see you again. Jai Hind. Bye-bye.